Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the workspace. Open the project folder in Visual Studio Code so the terminal runs in the right directory. Once done, open the integrated terminal with View Terminal or the Control+ shortcut. This avoids external shells and keeps output inline. Make sure your path includes any runtimes you need, for example Node or Python, so commands produce output. This step sets the environment, which is why output appears where you expect and commands execute against your project files. You now run the commands that generate output. Select the correct integrated shell from the drop-down Bash, PowerShell, or CMD because different shells affect path and output formatting. Then execute your command like npm start or Python main. Watch stdout and stdir in the terminal pane. For repeatability, create a task in tasks, JSON or a debug configuration in launch. JSON so you can reproduce the same output reliably. This saves time and explains why output matches auto. You finish by capturing or inspecting the terminal output and handling problems. To save logs, redirect output to a file with R2N1 so you can review it later, and increase logging verbosity or add console statements to see more details. If you see no output, make sure the terminal's current working directory matches your project, check the shell path for required runtimes, and disable extensions that hijack terminals. This troubleshooting tip prevents silent failures and gets your output visible fast.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.